Hey, what's going on, my friends? Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken vindaloo. Vindaloo is one of India's spiciest curries, and I'm going to show you how to make it with chicken. It's actually really easy to make, and it's exactly what the spicy food lover needs. So, all right, let me show you how to make it. So first thing here is I have 2 pounds of chopped chicken thigh, boneless, but you can use chicken breast if you'd like, or mix. And the next thing we need to do is make our spicy vindaloo marinade. So get a medium-sized bowl, and here's the ingredients. I have a ½ cup of white vinegar, 6 cloves of garlic minced, and here I have a blend of chilies. This is about 2 tablespoons of ground Kashmiri chilies that I toasted and ground, but I've also added a teaspoon of paprika and a pinch of ghost powder for myself for extra heat. You don't have to add the ghost powder if you don't want to, but I love an extra spicy vindaloo. And next I have a teaspoon of ground ginger, and a teaspoon of ground coriander, and a teaspoon of turmeric, and a teaspoon of mustard powder, and along with a ½ teaspoon of cumin and a ½ teaspoon of cinnamon. And you can add salt and pepper at this point if you want to, but we're gonna be adding some of that later. So go ahead and just mix your marinade together. It's gonna be nice and thick, almost pasty. It's gonna be good for coating our chicken with lots of delicious flavor. So yeah, take a look at this and how thick it gets. So next, let's go ahead and marinate the chicken. Put your vindaloo paste into the chicken, and we're gonna go ahead and just rub it all in, get it all nicely coated. All right, I've got my chicken nicely coated here. So next we'll go ahead and cover it, and we're gonna refrigerate for at least an hour, but you can get this going in the morning if you'd like, or you can even marinate overnight. So a good tip is to add a ½ cup of water to the first bowl where we made our marinade and swish it around, because we're gonna add this to the vindaloo later to make it extra saucy. All right, next up here is to get cooking. So I have all of my marinated chicken set here. So get a good sized pan, heat it up to medium heat, and we'll add a bit of olive oil. And I have a medium sized onion chopped into the pan. And I also have a Serrano pepper. I've got average sized Serrano pepper. And you could add jalapeno pepper here if you'd like to for a little milder heat. But also feel free to add other peppers. If you want to go crazy hot, like ghost peppers here are completely welcome for like very hot. So go ahead and cook this down for about 5 minutes to soften up the vegetables. Just gonna add a splash of salt here. All right, the onions and peppers are cooked down nicely. So the next step is to go ahead and add your chicken, and we're gonna cook this down for about 5 minutes, stirring to let the chicken start cooking through. A little touch of salt and pepper as well to taste, pretty much always to taste. The next step is to add tomato paste. I have a tablespoon of tomato paste here. Go ahead and stir it in. And we're gonna cook it down for about a minute to get a little cook on this tomato paste. All right, I've got this cooking here nicely. So the next step is to add about a ½ cup of water. And I'm using the water from my marinade bowl, some extra flavor in there. So add to the pan. Get that nicely stirred in here. And you can add more if you want to. It really just depends on how saucy you want your overall vindaloo to be. And you can also use something like chicken stock or even just clean water. It's gonna get nice and saucy. So once you have everything nicely incorporated, we will reduce the heat and let it simmer for 20 minutes minimum to let the flavors develop and get nice and thick and saucy. So you can add other ingredients to your vindaloo marinade. Some other popular ingredients include cardamom, fenugreek, black peppercorns. We did add black pepper later anyway. But you can also use apple cider vinegar for an extra tangy quality to it. And of course, you can always add extra spicy chilies. Dude, look at how saucy this is getting. Yum. Oh, vindaloo, favorite. All right, let's give it a taste. That spicy chicken vindaloo right there. Yes. That's it, my friends. That is how you make chicken vindaloo. I'd love to hear what you think in the comments below and how you spiced it up a little bit your way. And I also would love to see you at the website at chilipeppermadness.com. Got lots and lots more spicy goodness waiting right there for you. So, all right, I'll see you in the kitchen next time. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Bye.